Welcome back to the MKT 243 lesson. I'm glad to see that you are actively engaged in learning. In the previous lesson, we learned about e-commerce and digital commerce, and now let's continue our lesson on the differences between these two. In this session, we will look more closely at how they differ in terms of technology, customer experience, and business approach. This will help you clearly understand how digital commerce goes beyond traditional e-commerce in today's digital world.
While e-commerce focuses on the transaction and logistics, digital commerce covers the entire experience.
Welcome to this video on the experiential era. We will explore the ongoing shift from traditional e-commerce to the new landscape of ambient digital commerce as we move through the 2020s and beyond. In this era, digital interactions are no longer limited to specific platforms or moments of purchase. Instead, commerce becomes seamlessly embedded into everyday life through connected devices, intelligent systems, and personalized experiences. Brands now focus on creating meaningful engagement rather than just completing transactions. As we continue, we will see how technology is transforming shopping into an always-on, invisible, and highly adaptive experience. We are witnessing the death of the destination. E-commerce used to be a place you visited by opening a laptop and typing a URL. Now, digital commerce is an environment you live in, an invisible, continuous layer of daily life. Instead of actively going to shop, shopping now comes to you through apps, notifications, and recommendations. Every digital interaction becomes a potential point of purchase. This means consumers are constantly connected to commerce without even realizing it. As a result, buying decisions are more spontaneous, seamless, and integrated into everyday routine. The first massive shift is moving from the desktop to literally everywhere. In the old e-commerce days, you had to sit at a computer to shop. But with digital commerce, buying happens wherever you are. You can check out using your smartwatch, use voice assistants like Alexa, tap a Shop Now button on Instagram while chilling in your Collège Samarhan room, or even have smart appliances order things automatically. This shows that shopping is no longer tied to a specific device or place. It has become integrated into everyday activities without interruption. As a result, the boundary between online and offline life is becoming increasingly blurred. Consumers can now make purchase decisions instantly, the moment they feel a need.
Seamless shopping, wherever you are. Whether at your desktop or on the move, you can complete your purchase with ease.
The second shift is going from manual searching to predictive AI. Before, you had to search for what you wanted manually by typing in keywords. Now, digital commerce uses predictive analytics to suggest what you need before you even search for it. Imagine opening your app and seeing a completely personalized storefront, showing you the exact presentation outfit or aesthetic room decor you've been thinking about. This makes shopping faster, easier, and more personalized than ever before. The system learns from your past behavior, preferences, and even timing of your activity. As a result, customers often discover products they didn't even realize they wanted. This shift turns shopping from a search process into a discovery experience. What powers this? It is the invisible engine of the cloud ecosystem, combining AI, big data, and IoT to capture real-time context and anticipate your needs seamlessly. This integration allows systems to process massive amounts of data instantly and turn it into meaningful insights. Every click, search, and interaction becomes part of a larger learning system. Over time, the platform becomes smarter, adapting to your preferences and behavior patterns. As a result, digital commerce feels less like a tool you use and more like an intelligent system that understands and supports you. We are seeing the end of the isolated transaction. The goal is no longer just a one-time checkout, but rather fostering an ongoing, value-driven dialogue between the brand and the consumer. This means every interaction matters, not just the moment of purchase. Brands continue to engage customers through personalized content, recommendations, and timely communication. The relationship does not end after the sale. Instead, it continues to grow over time. As a result, customers feel more connected, and loyalty becomes a long-term process rather than a single decision. This creates new economics of lifetime value. We are moving away from simple single-sale funnels toward a cycle of engagement, retention, and advocacy, keeping the customer locked within a personalized ecosystem. Instead of focusing only on acquiring new customers, brands now prioritize building long-term relationships that generate repeated value over time. Every interaction becomes an opportunity to strengthen trust and increase loyalty. Customers are continuously nurtured through tailored experiences, rewards, and relevant content. As a result, businesses grow not just through sales, but through sustained engagement and customer advocacy. As this diagnostic scorecard shows, digital commerce in 2026 shifts the primary goal to maximizing lifetime value, utilizing new touchpoints like AR, and relying on biometrics and active customer advocacy. This transformation reflects how technology is deeply embedded in every stage of the customer journey. Businesses are no longer competing only on price or product, but on experience, trust, and personalization. Every interaction becomes data that strengthens future engagement. Ultimately, success in digital commerce depends on how well brands can create seamless, intelligent, and emotionally engaging ecosystems around the customer. The customer is no longer a passive target. They are an active participant and co-creator, shaping algorithms with their data and influencing brand reach through their own advocacy. This means every click, review, and interaction contributes to how digital systems learn and respond. Customers now play a key role in defining what content and products are prioritized in the ecosystem. Their voices, especially through social sharing and online reviews, can significantly amplify or reduce a brand's visibility. As a result, digital commerce becomes a shared space where value is continuously co-created between brands and consumers. Ultimately, we must design for the environment, not just the destination. In this experiential era, the best digital commerce doesn't feel like shopping at all. It simply feels like life. This is because commerce is now seamlessly embedded into everyday digital experiences. Users interact with brands naturally while scrolling, watching, or communicating, without a clear boundary between content and purchase. The most successful systems are those that anticipate needs and respond in real time, without interrupting the user journey. In this way, digital commerce becomes invisible, intuitive, and fully integrated into daily living. As a conclusion, shopping is no longer limited to a single destination. It is everywhere, from smartwatches and Instagram Shop Now buttons to voice assistants. Brands have also evolved from focusing on one-time sales to maximizing customer lifetime value through omni-channel experiences like AR, VR, and IoT. Even payment methods have advanced, from credit cards to biometrics, crypto, and buy now, pay later FAS. The key takeaway is that customers are no longer just making transactions. They are active participants in a connected digital ecosystem. All right, thank you very much for listening. We will see you again in the next video, where we will explore the core business models of digital commerce.